Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to solve a 1400 rated problem, average permutation. So in this problem we have to find a permutation such that the number of averages of all consecutive triplets is minimized. The first line of input is the number of test cases, and each test cases will have the size of the permutation. So first of all, I'm not gonna lie, I had to go to Khan Academy and look at the formulas and stuff because it's been a while. So in permutation, we do n factorial or n minus r factorial to find the possible arrangements, but this one is different. Here, we need to output a single permutation from like 1 to n such that the sum of averages of all consecutive triplets is minimum. So you can see I did some calculation in Paint. Normally I would do this on paper, but to show you guys I did it in Paint. Maybe I should buy a drawing tablet. But anyways, so out of all the permutations, we want the permutation whose sum of averages of all the consecutive triplets is minimum. And the consecutive triplets would be arranged like P1 plus P2 plus P3 divided by 3 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 divided by 3 and so forth. So for this to be minimum, both these averages have to be smaller. And for that we have to put smaller numbers in positions that are getting repeated. So here you can see P2 and P3 are getting repeated twice. So we can put smaller numbers 1 and 2 at these positions. And P1 and P4 are not getting repeated. So we can put bigger numbers at these positions. So the permutation would be 4, 2, 1, 3. Similarly for size 6, you can see that third and fourth position are getting repeated 3 times. So we can put the smallest numbers 1 and 2 at this position. Then second and fifth are getting repeated twice. So we can put 4 and 3 at these positions. And first and last position are not getting repeated, so we can put the biggest numbers on first and last position, so 6 and 5. So now we know what needs to be done. We are going to build a permutation where the middle elements are smaller because they appear in more triplets. Now how do we put it into code? Let's open Eclipse first. So here's what I'm thinking. I will have two for loop. In the first for loop, I will go from n to 1 and I will keep subtracting 2 from I. So first it will print 6, then 4, then 2. And the second for loop will go from 1 to n and I will keep adding 2. So it will print 1, 3 and 5. So we will get 6, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5. Alright, let's write this down. Alright, let's test this. Alright, let's have 3 test cases. First one would be 4. Nope, it's not working. Oh, I see. Alright. Three test cases, 4. Let's look right. 3. This one does not look right. So here's what happening. We are starting from n and we are going all the way till 1 by subtracting 2. So it prints 6, 4, 2 and then we are starting from 1 and we are going all the way till n by adding 2. So 1, 3, 5, which works for even number. But for odd number, the last digit that will be printed is 3. And then we are starting from 1 and adding 2, so 3, which doesn't work, right? It is getting repeated. So I tried several things, but it wasn't working. And then it clicked like, why don't I just flip this and print all the odd numbers in descending order, like 5, 3, 1, and then print all the even numbers in ascending order like 2, 4, 6, and that works, right? For 7 also, like you can see 7, 5, 3, 1, and then we will print 2, 4, 6. So this works. Let's write it down. All right, so we will start with n. We will go all the way till 1, minus minus, and then if I modulo 2 greater than 0. All right, then start with 2 less than n, I plus plus 0. All right, let's try this. 3, let's print 3, then 4. Okay, I see. Less than equal to n. All right, let's try 4, 3, 4, 6. Okay, and 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, this should work. Let's submit our code. All right, remove package, remove public, submit. It's not working, but this is correct. Oh, I have to put space. Okay, let's submit again. And it worked. All right, man, this one was fun and it made me think. So I think I'll try a few more around this difficulty level and keep documenting the journey. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.